I swear I don't tire for this Nigeria. Are they very broke? Are they?
Money 5 naira no dey my pocket.
Yeah, big. If you give me just 5K,
I look like person get money. And when I take carry that money, matter dey come outside. See last time we go rob. See my gun. Only one bullet right remain inside. Just imagine. Only one bullet.
I don't even know how those money come go say now.
I know. The money we rob sef, we just go spend na like.
I know what you go do. I know what you go do. You get money.
See that.
Don't make us do that money.
This boy get head. Oh yeah, there your head. Nah, no.
Where your house dey?
Abuja Estate.
Abuja Estate.
Oh boy.
Abuja Estate.
Where yes.
You know man.
Because I
Clear. We don't make money. We are rich, right? We are rich.
Calm down.
Let's go.
What's your name? Abdullah.
No go talk.